Meet Bubbles, a purple bunny who loves sparkles. Oh, glitter pens. Sparkle shoes. I want them all. Buy now. Limited magic. They vanished. Glitter fades. Smart doesn't. Back home, her junk came alive. More, buy more. Sparkle forever. Aha! I created a monster. She ran to Grandpa's wise old burrow. Smart choices glow forever. Fake savings, just noise. Oops, lesson learned. You sparkle, but I need sense. Buy. Smart shopper alert. Back home, one last coin in the jar. You saved smart. Here's your dream pack. Savings sparkle now. How? Savings sparkle way better. Smart is the new shiny. Moral: smart choices build sweet futures, one coin at a time.